Okay guys, welcome and welcome back. Today we're pan frying some chicken, but we're gonna be adding a different level of flavoring. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it pan fry a little. Okay, so I've got 5 drumsticks, and this is actually part 2 of another video that I did in which I had 10 drumsticks. 5 of them I pan fried them, and then I finished them off in the oven. But these, what I want to do is, after I pan fry them, I want to, and sear them, I want to put them in the oven, but I want to cover them and smother them a little bit with some vegetables. Okay, and the reason for that is just to give it a different level of flavor. Okay, just to have a different flavor. So I feel this is a nice, quick, easy recipe. The dinner is simple. You can feed your family, several members in your family. It wasn't expensive. I didn't pay much for the drumsticks. I paid about $7 for about 10 drumsticks. I don't remember if it was a sale, but it was to me, it was a really good price. Okay, so we'll come back and I'll show you what to do in the next step. Okay, so we're going to turn this. And we're going to let it brown on the other side also. And this is why I like non-stick surfaces, because they're easier to work with. The chicken has less of a chance to stick. Okay. I'm going to switch these two, because it seems to be browning a little bit faster over here. There we go. Alright, so we're going to turn these over. Just let them fry a little bit more. And then and the vegetables that I'm going to use are these mixed vegetables that already come cut up at the store. And, this is very convenient for me, because I don't have to buy whole onions, whole pepper, which I'm not going to use the whole thing anyway. A lot of times I throw away half the pepper or more, because it goes bad before I even get to use it in something else. So, this is very convenient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out the bag and I'm going to rinse it. And I'm just going to use part of it. Okay, so I'm going to cut what I'm going to use. I'm going to use some of the red pepper too. Use some of the onions. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm going to rinse it. And then the rest of what I didn't use, I'm going to freeze it, so I can use for something else. Okay, so here's the vegetables that I rinsed. I'm gonna throw them in here just to stir fry them a little bit in the chicken. Okay. Okay, there we go. Just mix them in there a little bit. Okay, so this would be like an easy stir fry, only we're using drumsticks instead of smaller pieces of chicken. And this would be a great dinner idea for Sunday, a great Sunday dinner idea now that I think of it. So if you're looking for recipes with chicken, okay, here's a great one. Even for a weeknight, it's a very simple dish. Okay, very simple to assemble. Just cut up your vegetables, whatever size you want to cut them up in. You can also add garlic in here if you like. So I'm going to line a foil pan with foil. Okay, we're going to add chicken to this pan. With all of the vegetables also. Now, if there are other vegetables you like, zucchini, even red onions, that's fine too. You add whatever vegetables you like. Everyone likes different things, that's fine. Okay, and then we're going to add the rest of these vegetables right on top. And this is going to add a nice dimension of flavor. It's going to be a little different than just baking your chicken with, you know, with the regular seasonings. All right. Go. Get out as much vegetables as you can. There you go. You can add more garlic if you like. There you go. And I've got to tell you, I've been enjoying reading your comments. Please continue your comments. I like to receive them. I like reading them. I like responding to your comments. So I'm looking forward to each and every comment. And also, try to remember to like the videos that I make that you like, because that lets me know what I can continue to bring to you. You know, it gives me an idea of the videos that you like that I make, and like that I have an idea of, you know, what to film. Okay, so this goes in the oven, 350 for about 30-40 minutes. Okay guys, so here's the finished chicken. What I did was I uncovered it, I let it cook in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes covered, and then I uncovered it and let it cook a little bit more of 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, here's the finished product. Okay, so and I let it cook with the peppers in it and the onions. Okay, you can add garlic too if you like. I didn't add garlic this time. I encourage you to try this. It's simple, easy, and you know, you can make this during a weekday or a Sunday dinner. Thanks for coming by.